car drives really nice. Steering wheel straight. I don't hear any weird whistles. Brakes feel good. Okay, let's do a quick visual condition report, starting with the front right wheel. I don't see any curb rash. Got a couple small rock chips. The rest of that fender looks really good. Here on the side mirror, we do have some scratches. Got a little rock chip, a couple imperfections, got a little imperfection here, a small scratch, and then right in the middle of the door we have a scratch. It does catch your nail. And then here on this wheel we have some scratches in the chrome. I don't see any curb rash. Quarter panel looks good. This top looks amazing. That back glass is nice and clear. I don't see any rips or tears on this side. Looking at the front end, it looks really good. I don't see any curb rash on this front bumper. It all looks really, really good. This lens is clear. The headlights are really nice and clean. You can see on the hood we do have a couple touch-up spots. Got a touch-up spot there. And a couple more. That headlight looks good. There's a little bit of cloudiness here and there, but otherwise you can tell it's really clean. I mean, this front looks awesome. Then here on the back left rim, I don't see any curb rash. Overall looks good. We do have a little scratch there. One here and one there. Got a touch-up spot there. And then you can see these little imperfections here, kind of in a circle, little chips out of the paint. Couple chips there that have been touched up. That wheel looks good. These tires look amazing. Tons of tread left. Here on the side mirror, got a couple chips. Otherwise, this side looks amazing. Then looking at the back bumper, tail lights look amazing. We do have a gash there that has been touched up. See some surface scuffs. The rest of that deck lid looks good. Here in the engine bay, looks amazing. Very, very clean. Looks all original. I don't see any modifications. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. We do have a little bit of wear right here. You can see some of this material's chipping away on that button. Upper side looks good, got the memory seating. Couple scuffs here and there on the kick plate area. Got some deep wrinkles here. A little bit of wear, but that cushion is nice and firm. Got some scuffs here. Little notch out of the leather right there. That bolster looks good. Upper side looks nice. Here on the steering wheel, we do have some scratches. That screen looks good. All those buttons are nice and clean. It's a power convertible top. That back looks good. Looking at this door panel, looks good. That button's clean. Couple scuffs on the kick plate. Got the WeatherTech mats. You do have some wrinkles here, but that cushion is nice and firm. I don't see really any wear on that bolster there, but we do have a scuff here. The rest of that seat looks good. Got some scuffs on the plastic. Upper side of the dash looks amazing. Glove box is clean.